here. So it's gone a little bit anteriorly, and so we're having to push.
Wow. So for the past 3 months, I've been dealing with a spine injury. It has gotten in the way of everything that I do. I usually travel very often, and I've just kind of put my life on hold.
Scale from 0 to 10, how bad would you rate it?
It can get up to like a 10.
Face down that way.
Whoa. That was huge, huh? Yeah, Woo. Yeah.
Yeah, I felt that one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's all I have to say. Oh, I did not. I was not expecting it right there.
You want to
Wow. That was amazing. That was chef's kiss.